Hello everybody. I just want to let you guys know, if you roll a fruit over here and say you got a good fruit, oh my god. Wait, I was not planning this. Okay. I was gonna say, yesterday I rolled the Buddha fruit. Some guy said fake, drop from far away, and I don't really know how he could steal the fruit if I dropped from far away. And then I dropped it over here. He was on the other side. He did this, and he took the Buddha fruit. So don't trust people if you get a really good fruit. But I just got Blizzard. I was gonna help the guy out, because you guys can please, but not for a fruit like that. Alright, have a nice day, y'all.